somebody in love, don't be using uza for me. You know uza but you don't be doing that.
No, it's not uza.
Connecting me in love.
This one not uza.
Treat me like a lady.
Eh?
Treat me like a lady.
Treat you like a lady. You don't know say what you they do. He wrong ni.
If you touch me.
You don't know say he wrong ni.
If you touch me.
You don't know.
Okay, you flip it.
What's in?
You flip it.
All professional move where you just make just.
My hair is not professional. Don't touch me again, Opolo. Don't touch me again. See, we're on national TV. Don't let them know your true character. Your true character. Don't let them know. Don't let them know.
Which true character?
That used to beat me.
Mayowa, it's not fair. Now TV we did now. You can't go to disgrace this kind of thing. I don't they touch her. I don't beat her. I don't torture her. I don't do anything. Just present with her and finish. You talk say my true character.
You see, they got no person when they beat person. You still fall down.
No.
As a talker, I suppose to release and make everybody just know.
No, that would be pretentious. What's wrong with you? Jare. Well, now welcome. Before all the liars of people. They don't tell me since now.
Padi Padi is the name of the show. We are your hosts. My name is Mayowa, in name now Ogbolo, and we go on break.
Intro. Break now. My hand do pa as I dey watch am. The hand do pa. Mayowa, na your mate. Na your mate. They here they do fine girl. They here they do see your mate. You get two, you know fit carry. That one get one, he still lift it up. Be here, just be look paper to carry they had you. Now pium. You are doing. I can laugh up and down. I can do anything about it. See your mates there. You are here doing something. Anyway, it's just encouragement.
So I'm just going to pretend like I'm the only one on this show today. Only me day here. I go pretend say Ogbolo no day, and then only me go just day. So welcome to Padi Padi.
Why you just want to pretend?
Because you are talking things that is not
you want to do what?
Psychologically related to me.
You want to hit a man?
No.
You want to hit a man?
I want to reposition my paper.
Where you want position just now? Give yourself a brain inside your mitochondria, just below your left kidney. Just give yourself correct brain.
My mitochondria is not below my left kidney, it's under my spinal cord.
Where's the touching for your knee?
It doesn't matter. It is to travel.
Why they move?
It's a traveling mitochondria.
Now bad spirits be that.
It's a moving mitochondria.
Nah, demon.
It's a lie.
It's a bad spirit.
It's a lie.
You know, I see all those people they talk say, Pastor, something they move in my body. Now say your own bill. You only.
Don't try it.
Don't try it.
Don't try it.
Don't. You say
don't try
very good, fonts.
It does sense. All right, okay, we go enter inside Yandi and give you the gist for the day. And in case you just join us, maybe this is not your first time where you watch Padi Padi. Padi Padi na show will be show.
It's a show that's a show.
We're not really sure what it's about.
Yeah.
But just follow on.
Enjoy the whole thing.
You understand? Just blend on.
Basically.
And just enjoy on.
At all. Oh yeah, we'll not talk.
Did I apologize, give you?
No.
You never tell you sorry?
No.
You never tell sorry for your
They even thought say make I even go against you. They even say make I even abandon you. You can continue the show. Can you imagine? No.
Apologize, oh. Apologize for our ear. They sing for us. Now they sing for.
Anything I want to play.
Go ahead.
When are they play?
They go.
Spray your mouth anyhow.
The only thing where you maybe consider this people say, now just because of our fans for us. Finish. They will give us.
They will come bring newspaper. Okay.
Oh yeah. Una for bring beans.
No problem. That's the end.
Una for bring beans. Smoke pick.
But if you try me out now, vex your mama, no go know you again.
Nigerians technically in recession as oil revenue bills.
Today,
Wow. Wow. This country.
very funny.
Flexible exchange rate. Naira crashing to 36. Eh?
Federal government withdraw military from Niger Delta communities.
Wow.
It's appalling.
Governments must bend to stop Nigeria from breaking.
I'm telling you that in this place, Osibajo, Oyo State Governor, Service Chief Mate, restrict military operations for waterways.
Wow. Yes. I sold my car to start my business. Hey. Eh?
Hey.
Why I'm running for Ondo governor?
Wow. PDP prays for Buhari as McCarthy take over.
Hey, Nigeria. Government urge to take striker measure to prevent companies collapse.
Telling you, privatization of airports, ill-timed stakeholders.
Kogi crisis. Rep summon governor. Wow. Hey.
MD boys get 5 million naira. Unity Cup.
Hey. Ayade to receive Hollywood Image Award. Wow.
Lagos hotels lose billions of naira to synagogue crisis.
Payman set to commence barcoding regime.
Access, Diamond, others fund Owando's 94.6 billion naira 5-year loan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Uche Jumbo to host Africa Film Festival. Hey! Things are happening in this country. Many things. You understand? It's end time moves.
End time moves. Ada. Heavy evidence syndrome.
Yes.
That is the problem.
Lagos and Yoruba project.
I'm not adventurous with
Yes.
beauty products. Empress.
Hey, Empress. Atiku resurfaces.
Hey, nice. J1,
Genge.
Doris Simon. Others attend the good, the bash, and funny.
Okay. Lawmakers urges constituents to show gratitude. Nasty
I don't have
British
to read
life
paper.
in Lagos community.
Time don't read to sleep.
So that Yoruba will not die.
I don't have to read this paper. Now time to sleep now.
No, we're not going to read today.
Una no fit apologize for person.
You have
Never
not
know
apologized.
anything.
We are,
It's even a play song.
you are playing
Give
the
us
music.
paper.
Ah.
No problem.
No worry.
Time goes on do now.
We're going to bring beans. Come this
So that we
show
go dey
now.
pick.
We're going to pick the beans.
What happened?
Stephen Keshi.
It's very painful.
Painful. It's very painful.
Very painful. What happened?
We never collect call. Mike from Maryland.
Yes.
Miko.
Hello. How you doing?
We bamo. Miko, how far now?
I'm not in the airport. I don't like they like my program.
Hey.
Today, this morning, we dey do strike. Today, we know they talk. Because
Hello, we dey hear you.
you dey hear us.
I said they like my program.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, Miko. Thank you very much.
You dey hear me, Mike?
I dey hear you.
I said today, we know they talk. We dey do strike because then disrespect us. Our
so
producer disrespect us.
So when I go start the talk now?
We never know.
We are thinking about
But
it.
we are reading paper first.
Okay. I dey hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
No wahala, Miko. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Join us. Don't talk for 15 minutes.
Igbo in Isolo, APC seek unity.
Can you whistle? Let's do whistle competition. I go dance to una song, no problem.
I dey speak and not talk. You dey spray. I dey look and not talk.
Why investors are not smiling?
Read it.
The company is at a present grappling and with economic woes occasioned by difficulties in accessing foreign exchange.
Wow.
At the time of acquisition of the assets, Blessing.
Yes.
How now?
Fine.
Bleh.
Bless you.
Yes.
What's
I
up?
want to join you people. Oh.
You want to join us
Yes.
in our not talking strike?
Serious.
Thank you.
Blessing, what do you want to make you join us?
I want to join you in your silent mode.
In our
Finish.
Okay.
That is
So
it.
follow us too in our silent
Let's
mode.
not silent. It's silent time.
Okay.
Yes.
Let them sit there.
Let's not silent now.
Jess from Holland.
Yeah.
Jess.
Hello, Jess.
Hello.
You are
All the
calling-
way from Holland.
Yes.
All the way from Holland, yeah.
You are calling from the abroad place. I wish you.
Yeah.
How are you?
I just fine.
Correct. This one way you call us today. So how body now?
Body Dave, my brother.
Correct. We happy say you call us from that side though.
Thank you. Jess, J-E-S-S.
J-E-S-S, yes.
Oh, Jess. Right. Jess, the only reason why we dey talk now is because we consider the distance in time.
Where you dey call from?
Yeah.
Because we dey on silent mode. Today we say we know dey talk.
I beg, no, no, forgive them. Because me, I free today. Now I say, make I look now live, you know. I beg, no, no, just forgive them, I beg.
Now because of you, Jeff.
Now because of you.
Yeah, my brother.
Now
because of
you.
Correct guy.
We don't.
Now because of Jeff from
Now because of Jeff.
Nigeria people, una no dey even try. See Nigeria, they say they go follow strike. They go follow us strike.
They go follow us strike.
Jeff, all the way from Holland, come say I beg.
You know say
Naija,
you know say
una proud there.
the one from here they see us well. So no problem. They like us. Anything what we do, they follow us.
Anything.
So
But Jeff.
For the reason of time distance in phrase of time.
Yes.
Now it make.
Now only Jeff.
Una no go stop this song when they play under.
If not
go
be
stop
Jeff.
am.
If not be Jeff. Jeffo. And the thing we call the pay me say he can't carry the same name with our producer.
Can't carry paper.
He can't carry paper. Throw it away. Can't give you. Jeff, after this show today, we will wound you.
Who would you?
You will see.
You will see.
You can't carry paper, give us.
You see
get
yourself.
mine. Oh.
Is it time for break?
That Jeff from abroad place from Holland. Jeff, now you Biko.
You
Now
try.
God go bless you.
You try.
Now God go bless
because
you.
only you can break the not talking jinx.
Break.
Finish.
That picking, he used to collect slap.
You don't shock that the pikin dey make sound. No smile too much. Make them for notice say.
With us too.
No smile too much.
Okay.
Make them for notice say na reset.
See, we just jump from.
na gradually.
We're not bipolar. We're not bipolar.
Na gradually.
Oh, yeah, I just read one. I'll read one and we
Finish.
don't do. Yes.
Chinese man. You have to permit me. I have to laugh.
Why? You can't spoil the whole thing now.
No verse. I'm not laughing for them.
Yes.
It's the gist.
For the gist.
So I'm laughing for the gist.
Oh, yeah,
because if you hear it, you have to laugh too.
Let's go.
So this Chinese man, 3 days to his wedding, the wife bafu.
Now you dey
When
laugh.
he meet on top, when he meet on top internet.
Wetin the wife do? She run
bafu.
abi she die?
Which kind the wife? No be when he go report for police, they don't tell am say na man. She don dey scam am since. He's a cross-dresser na man. Since. No be when he call the for police station, another person too come say another woman no say meet am for internet, collect plenty money from him hand, close about $30,000 to $40,000 in dollars in that Chinese money if you convert am to dollars. Say he collect am from am. He collect am from am. She said gbafu when they suppose see. Na him they can't trace and come say he conjoin. So na man na him come dey trick all of them like that. No be they can't say okay see now. Na man, they dress like woman.
No, na man be that.
Yes, now. Shote even tell one say don't get belle. No being they can say, okay, since this person an internet fraudster, make them try use internet to get him. You understand? The police. Then they come trick him, come one cafe. Now they expect they go see fine girl and everything. Now they see guy with guy ID card. Now when they follow and go house, go searching house, now they begin see things like skirts, wig. You understand? All those kind of things. Them before they can't say that.
But the man when they follow and they run parrot, then they.
He's probably a cute guy that didn't look like a man.
But I thought say then they come out close. Then they.
So I don't know because I ain't take get belle.
I ain't take talk saying get belle.
Because that one, now even waiting make and want marry and be that when he hear belle, just say, oh my God.
I mean, don't go cut. Maybe don't go cut things.
No, or maybe do no. Because they ask the guy, say, okay, which one you like? You like man or you like woman? He says he's not really sure whether you like man or not. That are the suspect. They're really sure whether you like man or woman, but he sure say like money.
But this one now, we can't dress like woman. He can't say get belly. That means the men they follow and they.
You understand?
That means I mean they off light in it. Even if you off light, say if you go see few.
If you know, you go just oh my God, they're very tight. What a tight.
Because he go, you know the anyway, maybe not their own. Things are happening.
Things are happening.
Now, I tell Nigerian people, you know, very often at times, you know, say, look, there's a job everywhere.
Yes.
We are just too proud. You get me now? Many are just too proud because there's work everywhere. You understand? You must not be a banker.
No.
Or a lawyer.
No.
Or a presenter.
No.
Or a white collar job person. Or oil person. No. You can go and dig grave for living.
Yes.
You understand?
People do it.
People do it.
They even have competitions.
Yes. For inside this country, where did be that country again? Not be Hungary.
Hungary.
Yes.
Repeat after me. Hungary. Yeah.
For that place now, all the people that would dig grave, they don't say this is a respectable job.
Yes.
It's a job with pride.
Yes.
I want people to respect it.
Yes.
Now all of them come together and say, okay, we go do competition.
The best grave digger.
For graveyard. Then they say, oh yeah, everybody two inside 18 place. They go say, oh yeah, what will blow whistle? We're going to start. 1, 2, 3, go! See the again. Iggy. And some guys that they come carry first in less than 30 minutes.
And people they watch.
They don't dig. And people see people around them now.
Everybody's gonna be a lawyer. Not everybody's gonna be a politician.
No.
Not everybody's gonna be a presenter.
No.
It's possible that digging of the grave is your calling. So if that is it, embrace it with full force.
Exactly. So search within yourself. If to dig grave they call you, come. Dolakbo, come. Mayowa, come. Tunji, come. Joseph,
I don't get
come.
I
can be your sidewalk.
No, it's not my sidewalk.
Mayowa can be your sidewalk.
No, it's not my sidewalk.
Encourage people now. You know people they encourage.
It's very good, but it's not my sidewalk. No.
You are discouraging people.
No, I'm not discouraging. I'm just telling them that it's not my sidewalk.
Would you like to dig grave? Send us message on top Twitter at Wazobia Padi Padi. Can you dig a grave for a living? Let us know on top Twitter at Wazobia Padi Padi. Laugh the laugh. We're going to see that tomorrow.
Bye.
At Wazobia Padi Padi. At Wazobia